Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Taya here. Today we're making this Caribbean style curry chicken. If you're interested in this video, all the ingredients are listed below. Grab your pots, grab your pans, and let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're just gonna start here by adding a little bit of canola oil to a pan. You can use vegetable oil if you'd like. I wouldn't suggest olive oil because I don't really think it's much of a searing, frying oil. Then we're gonna go ahead and fry our curry powder and a little bit of cumin powder. We're just gonna fry those up a little bit. Here I used leg quarters and I just used my big chopping knife and cut them all into small pieces. I don't know, I feel like the leg quarters is just like the perfect chicken for it. You can use drumsticks if you'd like, or wings. I don't know about chicken breast. I just feel like chicken breast, the way you cook Caribbean style curry chicken breast, just won't produce the water that we need, which I'll show you later, because we don't add water to this curry. It just the chicken produces its own water, and if you use breast, I don't think it's going to give you the water at like the chicken leg quarters or other parts will. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our vegetables to the pot. We're adding some potatoes, carrots, onions, green peppers. You can add red peppers. You can even add tomatoes if you'd like, but I would suggest adding them maybe like a little later when the potatoes have softened and your chicken's ready. I didn't need to add any more seasoning to my pot because everything was well seasoned from the chicken. Feel free to add any more salt or seasoning according to your taste. Then we're gonna add a little bit of thyme and just keep stirring to make sure our potatoes are covered by the gravy, or at least get them really well immersed with the chicken, so when the chicken produces more water, the potatoes would absorb that water. Here's what I was talking about. I didn't add any water to my pot. Just make sure your pot's covered so the steam and everything will be produced from the chicken, and this is our gravy. Like, you don't need to add any more water, and the chicken, as long as your pot stays covered, it's gonna keep producing more water, and we're just gonna make sure our potatoes are soft. Once your potato is soft, you let that cook 5 more minutes, and this whole process should take you about 15 to 20 minutes from cooking till everything's nice and soft. Keep an eye on it, and that's it. It's really easy, super delicious. You can serve this with some roti wraps, or you can serve them with some rice like I did here. And I also made a little festival on the side because I love festival with curry chicken, and a little kale slaw with some pomegranates in it. And that's it. It's really easy, super delicious. If you guys do try this recipe out, please let me know down below how you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate you guys so much. Have a great day and stay safe. See you in the next one.